What's up, YouTube? It's BradTaylor here with another vlog for the day of some stuff I wanted to show you real quick. Yeah, there's some drawings I've been working on, of course we've seen them all. Here's one I'm about to do. It's going to be another Tupac. It's going to be pretty cool and kind of like that, but it's going to be pretty neat, man. It's a picture. If you can kind of see it there, you know that picture. I'm sure you've all seen it of Tupac before. I'm going to show y'all my carrying case. This is what I just put tape all around it. I know it's kind of odd to show, but this is something that'll protect your pictures, save you a lot of money and time in the long run. I put all my pictures down inside there. As you can see, a sheet of paper. What is that? It's another picture of some sort. But anyway, they just fit good down in there. I just take them and literally just slip them right down in there, and takes good care of them, And anyway, I'm going to show y'all some cool stuff on that. I'm about to put my name. Normally what I do is put my name on it, and I'm going to have my art channels and stuff on here. And then on the other side, I'm going to have a pretty cool picture put on it. And then I just kind of doodle around on it. Another thing, I haven't really showed y'all this on my YouTube channel here, but it's on my other art pages and stuff. But I got these awards in high school. This is River Valley High School Outstanding Senior Artist for Excellence in Art. I'm sure you can read it, but this is another award I got. It's Gifted Artist. There was like only 2 or 3 of them passed out in the school my senior year. First place Scratch Art. I won an art show with that. Won an art show with this one. Ink Dot. Another one. I won Best of Show and first place in Charcoal with that one. Best of Show was out of every picture in the gym. Every category. This is another one. I went on to college shows. I got first place gold medal in charcoal with the best of show picture. With that picture right there, I got a gold medal in another art show. First place, basically. Ink Dot, gold medal. Watercolor, gold medal. And this one up here is Scratch Art, gold medal. So, just thought y'all might be interested in seeing that, but we're going to have more artwork to come here real soon, guys and gals. I'm going to try to start every day, make sure I put a vlog up every day, talking about what's going on in my little world. I've been just working on, art stuff here, there, promoting, getting the page out. I put a thing up about 500 subscribers. When we get to 500 subscribers, we're going to do a giveaway of a drawing of my choice. And I might even post a video, see what kind of drawings you guys think you might like, and just come up with a random bunch of drawings and decide to draw 1 or 2 of them to actually give away when the time comes for the drawing. At 500 subscribers, like I said, I thought about doing another one at 250 subscribers. I'm yet to decide, but if I do one at 250 subscribers, it's going to be like a set of drawing pencils, or a set of paintbrushes, or maybe a drawing notepad. I don't really know yet, but it's just some ideas I'm tossing around there in my head, y'all. But yeah, that's me today, what I'm doing today. You guys have a good day. Peace.